Hey guys, it's joycemeettoo here and welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to collect email addresses in your blog using Thrive Leads, right? And for those who are new to our video channel, my name is joycemeettoo. I do videos on network marketing and talk a lot about affiliate marketing and show you guys how it actually is. I also do videos that teaches you how you can earn money online. So if you guys like such contents, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that I can send you notification whenever I upload a new video. So let's get into it. I assume actually that you already have your email service provider set up, right? An email service provider is like Aweber, GetResponse, SendLane, or something like this. And you make sure you have your professional email address set up. If you don't know how to do that, I'll just link a video with together with this video when I'll post it. And so yeah, let's get going. And before we start, actually guys, I've been talking about Thrive Leads, right? Thrive Leads. Thrive Leads is anything that that I like to use. I've been taught how to use it to actually capture emails. And where you can get it is in thriveleads.com, right? And it actually costs $67, but I can make you get it for $5. What you have to do is to go on Fiverr, right? To go on Fiverr, type Thrive Leads. The first guy that you see here is called Kishore Kumar 474. This guy does a really great job. I contacted him, right? I contacted him. I saw his gig and was offering the Thrive Leads plugin for $5 instead of $67, guys. He does the installation and everything, but I did buy the premium one, and he does really a fast job. So I really recommend you guys, if you actually want to get Thrive Leads for your blog, just contact this guy. He just install everything. Everything is through his license, and it works really great. So back to here. When everything is installed, guys, you will find actually something called Thrive Dashboard. What you do is you just don't click over here, just place your cursor and a window will open up and you go and click on Thrive Leads. And when you actually do that, what you have to do is, I'm actually going to show you how to capture the email address, right? Let's say you have a post, whenever someone is reading it, it's blank, right? You don't have any link, how are you going to capture their email addresses? Let's say the person is trying to leave your page. Something pops up and says, okay, I'm giving you something for free. Why not give me your email address? This is one way of getting an email address in a website, right? In a blog. So I'm going to show you how to create that actually. So what you do is go to lead group, click on add new. I'm going to give an ebook for free. So I create ebook for free. The next thing that you want to do is to click on the setting button right here and to allow it in the post that you want this pop-up to appear. And in my case, I'll just go on and do it on all posts, right? And this is created, right? And what we do now is to go and add an opt-in form. And we can just, we have a huge variety, guys. And what I suggest is the pop-up, right? So it is the light box. And you can go along and try everything. It's really easy. So in our case, just click on Lightbox. And what we need to do now is to add a new form, right? Add a form. We create a form and you can name it whatever you want. So create form, right? The most important thing is to click on trigger. When you click on trigger, guys, I want it to show up when they exit, right? So I just show when the user is about to exit the page. Click on save. The next thing is the frequency. The frequency is actually after how many days you want it to show all the time, right? So in this case, we'll just click on 0 and click on save. And we're just going to edit the design, because we need to choose the design, what is the pop-up going to be about. And like I said, in my case, I want it to be an ebook, so I've already had my picture prepared, right? So you just go on and just select what you find the best. And let's say in this case, there are a lot of ebook, right? You can give away. And in my case, let's say this one, right? This is this one. I just choose template, and here we are, guys. If you want to edit these headlines, go ahead and just edit it. It's easy, right? Like this. Get my free affiliate marketing ebook. I want this video to be fast, so I'll just edit these later on and show you guys how I did it. And if you want to change this picture, it is actually taking time to load. So let's say I want to delete it, right? And I want to add another picture. So the plus button here, you go on and click on the plus button, and you will find image, right? So you drag and drop and place it here. And image, you click on image, and I've already uploaded the image that I want to put. Here it is. And go on and insert into your post. And ta-da! It's taking time, right? And let's say that I want it to decrease in size. So here it is. And I actually want this to be like this. Let's increase the size like this. Great. So as you can see, guys, it's super easy to actually drag and drop and change stuffs like this. And now the most important part is actually to know from where this email will be stored. Like I said, I believe that you already set up your email service provider, and you just have to add connection, right? And if you don't know, if you're new, actually, you go to API dashboard. When you click on API dashboard, you will be directed to a new menu. What it will do is it will tell you to integrate your email service provider. In my case, I have already integrated GetResponse. And if you click on new integration, you will be asked to choose your email service provider. You choose that, and you will have to enter an API key. How you get that is when you go to GetResponse, actually, all you have to do is to click this and click on integration and API and get yourself to API here. You generate API key. The API key will be generated. You just have to copy it and paste it over there. As you can see, guys, I have already generated my API, and make sure that no one sees your API, right? Because this is yours, and you don't want your email address to go to someone else. So yeah, we are here. So let's choose integration, right? We choose GetResponse, and we will choose our list from where emails will be coming from, and apply. And when you're done, guys, I want this get it now. When someone click on get it now, I want them to be redirected somewhere. And this is my affiliate link of Legendary Marketer. So I want them to be directed to a sales page of Legendary Marketer, and I'll just save the work. And if you are new, like you can't save the work, you will get a warning from your security firewall of your blog. So you just go along and follow the procedures, and you'll just be fine. In my case, I had this problem, and I already rectified it. And this is it, guys. I've already saved it. Next, what you do is you go here, you click on Thrive Leads. Why? Because there is something important that we need to do. It's to make it display on the desktop, right? So it is new here, so we have to turn it on, right? And it becomes yes. And the next thing we need to do is to cache and purge all. And it will purge all. Purging all means it will refresh it and let it work, right? So let's see if yeah, this is our post. So we'll just open our post, right? And so here it is. It's pretty good. It's breathable. It has links inside, but it doesn't have any call to action, which I will show you what it does. Right now I'm trying to exit my page, and here it is, right? So I'm going to enter my name. I'm going to give my email address and get it now. So when I click on get it now, it will be directed to this page, right? This is my affiliate offer that I want to offer to these guys. What I can do actually is put a bridge page, like present myself, and later on direct them to the offer like this. Because since I want to show you how things work and how email addresses are collected, so this is how it was done, right? As you can see, guys, it's super easy, super fast to do it yourself. Now there are other stuffs that you can actually put in your blog, such as a call to action. For example, there's a button here like click here to get access to something that you're actually promoting, an offer you're actually promoting. You can actually make this widget stick, like get stick here and move at the bottom. But the purpose of this video was to actually show you how to collect emails with Thrive Leads, right? And I delivered the purpose of this video. So this is the end of this unit, guys. If you follow through the training, you'll be able to optimize your blog, use Thrive Leads to collect your emails. And if, again, like I said, if you guys actually want me to show you guys how to operate with Thrive Leads, get your cool stuffs like, for example, a banner over here, or a call to action, or a sticky widget, just let me know, guys. I'll just do another videos so that you can learn from that, right? So this will be it, guys. I delivered the purpose of this video by showing you how you can actually collect the emails. And if you guys would like to know more about Thrive Leads, such as get to know about the sticky ribbon, the call to action button, and the sticky widget on the right hand side, just let me know in the comment down below. I'll do other videos related to Thrive Leads. And with that, I'll take my leave, guys. It's been a pleasure teaching you. So if you got value, guys, do smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.